Welcome back. My name is Flo, and today we're going to learn how to make a YouTube thumbnail for your videos. This is the first thing people see when they go to YouTube and they search, and you want this to be catchy so that people click on it and they know what they're getting into. So to start off, we are going to record a video of yourself on your phone. Make a video of you pointing different directions, different expressions, so you can use that on your thumbnail. So in my phone, I took these videos and then I went back and I found the places I liked and I screenshotted them. So right here, I like this one, take a screenshot, and now I'm going to crop it down to the right size and save that. And I'm going to go through and do this a couple times. So I'll find another one. And it doesn't matter what's in the background because we're going to crop everything out. It's just going to be you. So once you get a few of those, go to the photo you want to use and you're going to hold it down on your iPhone. And when you hold it down, it will highlight just you. And then you can copy it or you can click share. For this purpose, I'm going to click share and I'm going to share it to Canva. So I share to Canva and it will upload, and you can use it in a new design or you can save it. You can copy all of them and save them, and then they'll be in your Canva account from now on. You can type in YouTube thumbnail soup recipe. I'm going to go here and click this one that says pumpkin recipes, and I'm just going to click customize the template. Hopefully you have a Canva account already. So I change this to say, and then if you want to put a picture of yourself, you'll go to your uploads and then find the picture that you want. So double click it and it'll put it in there. You can click it once. You make it a little bigger. Bring it over here, maybe rotate it, flip it. And then we want to edit the image. We can go through and remove the background, because I do have a little bit of my chair here, as you can see. So right here, I'm going to erase. I'm going to come over here and anyways, you go back. Done. Voila. We can crop it a little bit. Move my hair out. There we go. Now I'm just going to bring it back over here in the corner. I'm going to edit it some more. You can change, you put a different filter on it. All right, and then what you're going to do after you have what you like is you're going to click share and you're going to click download and you're going to download and save it to your drive. And you can use this on your YouTube channel for when you upload the video, and you can use this as a thumbnail. So when people search, this will be the first thing they see. And you can always change this. You can add, borders around it. You can put shapes behind it if you go over here. But for now, this is your simple way to add a picture of you in your thumbnail. Thank you for joining with me and learning how to do something new. Remember to like and subscribe and check out some of my other videos. Thank you.